Let's start by assembling the bat. I have 2 wings here. I have already glued 2 torsos together, and they now have a 6 mm thickness and are painted black. I also have a bead that is also painted black. We will also need a roll of fishing line or wire. Anything will do. I have some waxed floss and scissors, and that's all we need to assemble our bat. First, we need the wings. Now we need to attach 2 threads, approximately that length. It's about 20 centimeters or 8 inches. The first thread should be placed correctly from this side of the wings, like this. Now, I want to make sure that my ties are at the bottom, so I'm tying them from the top. It doesn't matter how I do it, but the most important thing is that they should be the same on both sides. Otherwise, the bat will not fly well. Let's check it out. Now I need to tie a knot. You need to not tie it too tight, otherwise the wing will not fly. We need the wings to move freely, and for that, there should be about 5 mm. That's the distance it should be, something like this. The same thing we will do now with the other wing. Put this thread in the same hole, and from this side, the second wing will be like this, and it's important that the ties are on one side. So, I slide through the top and tie at the bottom. Now, we will tie a knot also with the same distance as the last one. It must not be too loose, otherwise the wings won't move. And they have to be at the same distance from the torso. Now I will show you. That's about the same distance, so the wings will move both ways, which is important. Now we need 2 long cuts. You can decide what length will be. At this length, your bat will hang. So I measure about 70 centimeters, maybe more. Here it is. Do the same on the second side, like this. Turn over. We will tie them up. The main thing is that the length of the thread is the same on each side. Basically, our bat is already flying. You can trim off the excess on both sides. First, I'll thread here. Then, join both ends together. I'll make a long loop, tie a knot, trim the excess, and tuck those tails into the beads like this. It looks great. Let's add 1 more knot and we're done. Everything is ready. Let's check out how it flies. Have a happy Halloween!